Welcome to Donchian Channel Forex Trading. Hi, this is Michael. We've changed the format of the daily review a bit. In Section 1, we'll discuss today's results. In Section 2, we'll present some of the background for our analysis. Before we get started, please take a moment to review our disclaimer. Please also remember that we don't recommend to buy or sell any financial instruments. Today is Thursday, October 10th, 2013. It's now 2:45 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. The U.S. equity markets all had big green bars today. It may have just been a relief rally, but I bet a lot of people were caught short and had to cover. The S&P closed up big. Price remains in the longer-term uptrend channel framed by the black dashed lines. The S&P is bullish. Resistance is at 1726, as seen by the light pink oval. Support is at 1593, as seen by the light green oval. The US dollar was up again today. However, price remains in a downward channel framed by the black dashed lines. Support is at 21.53. This can be seen by the light green oval. Resistance is at 22.98, as seen by the light pink oval. Here's the ADX analysis chart for October 10th. Please compare this with the results of your analysis. From the ADX analysis and the strength calculator, we have the following currency strengths. There's one strong currency and no weak currencies, so there aren't any pairs to trade today. For open trades, the Aussie CAD trade remains open. We're long 6 micros. The stop loss has been moved to 0.9683. No new orders were placed. Here's the price chart for our open trade on the Aussie Canadian dollar. As you can see, we purchased 6 micros at 0.9791, and we're looking for target number 1 at 0.9859. Our stop loss has been moved to 0.9683. Let's look at the price charts for a couple of the more popular Forex pairs to trade. Here's the Euro-US dollar. Though a trade isn't setting up yet, it is in an uptrend. Here's the US dollar yen. Again, we don't have a trade setting up yet, but it is in a downward trend channel. And here's the Aussie US dollar. Again, we don't have a trade set up yet, but it is definitely in an upward channel. Thank you for watching my daily Forex trend review. If you would like further details about our analysis in Section 1, please listen to Section 2, which follows. For more detail on the trading strategy, please go to www.donchiantrader.com and request a free trading guide. My podcasts are now being carried on iTunes. Recently posted is Treat Your Trading Like a Business, Choosing Your Trading Strategy. Please check them out and subscribe. The iTunes link is listed at the bottom of this page. Please continue listening for Section 2. In Section 2, we'll go into a little bit more detail behind our analysis. We'll be talking about 1, the time of day to do the daily review. 2, review of the 2 indexes. 3, background on the ADX indicator. 4, determining the strength of the 8 currencies. And 5, selecting the potential pairs to trade. The Forex trading week begins at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Sunday and ends at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Friday. So during the week, the Forex trading day ends at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We wait until after 5 p.m. to do our daily review. This is because the daily bar has closed on the price chart and the indicators are all up to date. The first things we'll look at in the daily review are 2 indexes. The first is on the S&P 500. We'll use the E-mini S&P 500 index futures. Here's the price chart. The S&P 500 is usually a good indicator of where all of the other markets are going. The second index we'll monitor is for the strength of the US dollar. We use the PowerShares US dollar index to do this. This is important because the dollar's strength can give us an indication of which direction the US dollar Forex pairs will move. The first step every day in reviewing the Forex market is to analyze the ADX indicator for each of the 28 Forex pairs that we monitor. The ADX indicator can be red or green. If the ADX is red, it means there isn't a trend, so we'll put a 0. If the ADX is green and the price is increasing, we'll put a +1. If the ADX is green and the price is decreasing, we'll put a -1. What we do is we take the results from the ADX analysis and we plug it into our strength analyzer. This strength analyzer will give us the strength for each of the 8 currencies. From the strength analyzer, we put the results in this table. Today on Sunday, we had 1 strong currency and 1 weak currency. We're only going to use strong currencies between +3 and +7, and weak currencies between -3 and -7. Our objective is to match the strongest currencies with the weakest currencies so that we can find the highest probability Forex pairs to trade. Today we had 1 potential pair to trade, and this is the Aussie US dollar. And this would be going long or buying the Forex pair. I hope this helps you to get a better understanding of what we were doing in section 1.